Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto believers. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMarks got you covered. You can also stay crypto dated with by listening to our crypto news podcast. We've left the link for you in the description box below. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Shiba Inu mysterious crypto whales buys 3.2 trillion SHIB as price keeps dipping. Florida governor, we welcome Bitcoin. Investors should not receive compensation for crypto losses, says FCA's CEO. Solana reportedly hit by DDoS attack, but network remains online. So let's start up with the refresh feed. Firstly, a mysterious cryptocurrency whale has bought a total of 3.2 trillion Shiba Inu tokens as the price of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency keeps on dropping. Who the whale is isn't clear yet, although speculators have just suggested a large entity is behind the acquisition. I wonder what exactly happened, but let's discuss and find out. So with that being said, our next headline is the whale spent a total of $120 million in 3.2 trillion SHIB tokens in 3 transactions, according to cryptocurrency whale tracker WhaleStats. Looking at the transactions reveals that the whale was very careful with the money journey, making it far more difficult to identify its portfolio than other whales. The transactions, according to a Twitter account dedicated to the meme-inspired cryptocurrency, were tracked back to the wallet linked to the Squid Game token, a cryptocurrency whose price plummeted 99.99% when its creators dumped their tokens on retail investors. Ethereum whales have had a significant impact on Shiba Inu's price in recent months and have continued to accumulate as the cryptocurrency fell from its all-time high of $0.00008 in October. Data has shown that whale transactions have helped fuel Shiba Inu's price rise this year. According to cryptocurrency analytics firm Santiment, SHIB transactions exceeding $100,000 have generally surged ahead of cryptocurrency price rises. Notably, whales may be accumulating even more of the cryptocurrency ahead of these rises. Sophia, over 41% of the supply of SHIB has been burned as its community keeps coming up with new initiatives to burn tokens and decrease its circulating supply. Digital asset-focused research firm Delphi Digital has revealed that historically dog coins, meaning cryptocurrencies inspired by popular Shiba Inu meme, have historically been a pretty good indication of an overheated market. Moving forward to our next segment, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has reportedly proposed programs to make his state friendlier to Bitcoin innovation. The governor's move gives Miami Mayor Francis Suarez state-level support, adding to the previous aid received at the country level. Our view as the state government is this is something that we welcome and we want to make sure that the state government is crypto friendly, DeSantis said, according to a Bloomberg report. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked with our headline being among other cryptocurrency-related initiatives contained in the state's budget for next year. DeSantis suggested a scheme that would allow companies in Florida to pay state fees in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. The move is an attempt to entice more Bitcoin investment to the Sunshine State. As fresh innovations and welcoming politicians tap into the Bitcoin narrative, the state has seen an influx of associated entrepreneurs and enterprises this year. Suarez spearheaded with these efforts by arguing for more lenient legislation and creative advancements at the local level in order to foster the growth of Bitcoin-related innovation. Earlier this year, Suarez urged that Miami include Bitcoin into its operations. Residents might pay city fees and property taxes in Bitcoin, and city staff could be compensated in Bitcoin, according to the resolution. Miami was also supposed to be able to store BTC under the terms of the plan. After receiving backing from Miami-Dade County, the mayor established a cryptocurrency task team to investigate the possibility of similar developments at the county level. While changes and advances in local, county, and state levels have yet to be materialized, the media around Bitcoin's promises and enthusiasm has attracted businesses, enthusiasts, and conferences to Florida. And that's only the first stage, as politicians continue to grapple with the peer-to-peer monetary network. So our next coverage is about Nikhil Rathi, the CEO of the UK's main financial regulator FCA. He has advocated that in the event of a loss, the British government should not compensate those who have invested in cryptocurrencies. Digital assets have been used in illegal operations, according to the senior executive, and investors dealing with them must be prepared to lose all their money. He's not the only one who's not happy with crypto. Anyways, let's have a look at his point of view. When questioned about his thoughts on the cryptocurrency business in the UK, FCA Chief Executive Officer Nikhil Rathi presented his suggestion to the Treasury Committee. He said that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have been used as a vector for significant organized crime and money laundering, and that investors should be informed of the risks before investing. As a result, the Financial Services Compensation Scheme should stop compensating anyone who have lost money dealing with this asset class. I propose that we simply state that anything crypto related is not eligible for remuneration and that customers are aware of this when they invest. In recent months, the FCA has observed an increase in applications from digital asset exchanges seeking regulatory authorization, according to Rathi. Many, though, were below standard and the watchdog has yet to approve them. Last year, the 42-year-old was named as the FCA's new chairman, succeeding Andrew Bailey, who had served as the organization's previous leader. Rathi has pushed for a more active strategy to protecting clients from crypto-related frauds throughout his tenure as CEO. The FCA urged local investors at the start of the year to be wary of the risks of investing in some digital asset ventures, particularly those that are unregulated and promise huge profits. The regulator stated at the time that anybody dealing with Bitcoin or other currency should expect to lose all of their cash. So moving forward, the Solana blockchain was apparently subjected to yet another DDoS assault, which briefly blocked the network but allowed it to stay operational. A distributed denial of service assault was purportedly launched on Solana's blockchain over the last 24 hours, although the network appears to have remained operational. So let's find out about what exactly happening by having a look at the current scenario. A DDoS attack is when a botnet or a large number of coordinated devices flood a network with bogus traffic in order to knock it offline. This isn't the first time Solana has experienced a network outage. In September, Cointelegraph reported that the network was down for 17 hours owing to significant botting activity for an initial DEX offering on Solana-based DEX platform Radium. Blockasset, a Solana-based NFT platform, revealed the latest DDoS assault on December 9 at 3 p.m. UTC. After noting that, "We are aware that token distribution takes a long time. DDoS assaults have jammed the network and caused delays in the Solana chain." Genesis Go, a Solana-based infrastructure provider, also reported on the issue, noting that the validator network was having trouble processing transaction requests, but that the issue was due to growing pains. Members of the R Solana subreddit earlier today blamed the network congestion on another Radium IDO launch, with user U Faciliodelic publishing a post headlined "Why do Radium IDOs clog the Solana network and what is being done about it?" Right now, my main worry with Solana is the performance effect during high volume activities associated with Radium IDOs and launches. Every single performance issue in the last 6 months, including the 17-hour outage, has been caused by Radium launch, they said. So we would now end up with the assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.